for fixing tiles and stones in vibration-prone areas can also be used for thin tiles of large size on wall and floor. Keep the following tools handy before you start an application. Make sure you wear safety shoes, face mask, safety goggles and gloves before you start any activities. The substrate should be freed from dust and other particles with the help of a wet sponge. 3 parts of weberset flex should be added into 1 part of water. And mixed to get a smooth, uniform and consistent paste. 3 parts of weberset flex should be added into 1 part of water. And mixed to get a smooth, uniform and consistent paste. The adhesive should be spread on the surface using the flat surface of the notched trowel. And then notching shall be done in unidirection. Remember, the notching should be perpendicular to the length of the tile. Spread the material as much as you can fix within open time. Firmly press the tile into the adhesive to ensure good initial bonding. Provide shear perpendicular to the direction of the notch. Ensure adequate gap between tiles to accommodate thermal expansion and contraction. Grouting can be done after 24 hours depending upon the usage. For a 3 mm bed thickness, the coverage will be 4 to 4.5 kg per square meter. Weberset Flex is available in 20 kg pack size in grey and white color options. Adhesive for tiles and stones in vibration-prone areas. For more details, please refer to the technical data sheet.